Once again, a pleasant good morning, my sisters and brothers.
Good morning, Father.
We hear another version of the gospel 2 Sundays ago. No? We heard this story of the 12-year-old daughter who died. Yung kaibahan ng kwentong yun last 2 Sundays ago, according to Mark, ito according to Matthew, yung babae, buhay pa nung lumapit yung tatay, buhay pa. Ngayon hindi, itong version ni Matthew, patay na. Patay na yung 12 years old. Pero, lumapit pa rin. Imagine, alam niyang patay na, yung kay Mark, no? Buhay pa nakikiusap. Pagdating niya doon, patay na, di ba? Pero, kaiba, no? Isipin mo, gaano katindi yung pananampalataya. Yung imposible talaga, no? Imposible. Pero, naging posible sa grasya ng Panginoon, no? What faith? What faith? Lumapit ka, humingi ka ng tulong para buhayin ulit, no? There was never such a thing, no? Never such a request. Pero sa tindi ng pananampalataya, ibinigay. No? Ganyong ka-powerful, ganyong kalakas ang pananampalataya. Kung anong itaya mo, yun ang ibabalik. Ganyan rin yung isang babae na yung 12 years na dinudugo, ganyan rin, makahawak lang ako sa laylayan ng kanyang damit, ako'y gagaling. What faith? What faith? No? Nakakainggit yung paniniwala, no? Yung pagtitiwala sa Panginoon. At dahil doon, ibinigay. No? Kaya narinig natin yung assurance ng Panginoon. No? Courage, your daughter has saved. Your faith, courage, daughter, your faith has saved you. What faith? What faith? We examine our faith, no? Gaano kalaki yung itataya. Kung gaano kaliit yung itataya, ganyan rin kaliit yung mababalik natin. Pag malaki yung itataya natin, malaki ang gantimpala, no? Kaya it is a very wonderful challenge for all of us. Gaano ka laki yung ating tiwala. Hayaan ng Panginoon, hipuin tayo to touch our lives that we may have this faith, no? To heal us as we touch each other's lives because of this beautiful story. We thank God for this, in this beautiful story of faith, God's love, trusting in God alone. Salamat sa Diyos.